Hello student, let us solve a problem on torsion of circular shaft under strength of materials. Problem number 8. Let us read what is given here. A MS shaft 50 mm diameter. MS means mild steel shaft is replaced by a brass shaft transmitting same torque and with same angle of twist. Determine the diameter of the shaft. Determine the diameter of the brass shaft. If GS means modulus of rigidity of steel shaft, GS equal to 8 into 10 to the power 4 Newton per millimeter square. GB means modulus of rigidity of brass shaft. GB equal to 3 into 10 to the power 4 Newton per millimeter square. In our problem, given data DS diameter of steel shaft 50 mm, given TS equal to TB. TS means torque transmitted by steel shaft equal to TB means torque transmitted by brass shaft. Again, it is given theta S equal to theta B. Theta S angle of twist of steel shaft, theta B angle of twist of brass shaft. From this relation, we can say TS by theta S equal to TB by theta B. This is we find out from this relation. Okay. Also given GS modulus of rigidity of steel shaft equal to 8 into 10 to the power 4 Newton per millimeter square. Given GB modulus of rigidity of brass shaft equal to 3 into 10 to the power 4 Newton per millimeter square. DB equal to diameter of brass shaft we determined the value of dB. We find out the value of dB in this problem. Now we solve our problem. From torsion equation, from formula of torsion equation, we know, considering rigidity, T by IP equal to G theta by L. T by IP equal to G theta by L. T equal to torque transmitted by shaft. IP equal to polar moment of inertia of the shaft. G equal to modulus of rigidity. Theta equal to angle of twist. L equal to length of the shaft. From this formula, from this relation, we can say T by theta equal to G into IP by L. Okay. From given condition in our problem, Ts by theta s equal to Tb by theta b. Now, from previous relation, we can say Ts by theta s equal to Gs into Ips by Ls and Tb by theta b equal to Gb into Ipb into Lb. Gs modulus of rigidity of steel shaft. Ips polar moment of inertia of steel. Ls length of the steel shaft. Gb equal to modulus of rigidity of brass shaft. Ipb equal to polar moment of inertia of brass shaft. Lb equal to length of the brass shaft. Here length of the shaft are same, so Ls and Lb cut out. Next, Gs, this is Gs, Ips equal to pi by 32 ds to the power 4. This is Gb. Ipb equal to pi by 32 dB to the power 4. Ips, this is the polar moment of inertia of steel shaft. This is the polar moment of inertia of the brass shaft. Now, putting the value of Gs and Ds and Gb, value of Gs 8 into 10 to the power 4. Now pi by 32, value of Ds 50 and value of Gb 3 into 10 to the power 4. pi by 32 and dB to the power 4. From this equation, we calculate dB equal to diameter of the brass shaft equal to 63.89 millimeter. This is the required answer. It is clear, my student? Thank you.